Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is freshly washed and it was a horror story. This is one of 3 globs, handfuls of hair that I had to cut out or just comb out my hair because it was so tangled due to wearing ponytails up. What are they called? Buns. Messy buns. Y'all know my life is a bun. I wear my hair in a bun every single day. And I'm stressing it to you. Do not do it. And if you do, take your hair down and thoroughly detangle it properly. Take a lesson from me. So I'll use the Mazzani products and the Carol Daughter products to shampoo and condition. And this is the Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner, and then the Mazzani Press Agent serum. I'm just going to protect my hair before I blow dry it. And I could have used my Rev Air for this. I keep forgetting about my Rev Air. I have to put it on the side of me. I have not used it yet. I used it on Sydney, but I have not used it on me yet. And then, as you can see, I have my wide tooth comb and my Denman brush, and it's still hard to comb through my hair. That's how you know that my hair needs to be cut, not trimmed, but cut. Okay, y'all? And what I've noticed that my hair has grown a lot because I don't put heat in it all the time. Like I said, I was wearing buns all the time, just not worried about my hair, just worried about Sydney's hair, going to the gym, just throwing it up in a ponytail. Don't do that. Do not, because my hair grew so much, but it's thin, and I feel like it would have been longer as well. Like, there was no length retention at all. It was like a horror story. For 3 days I had to detangle my hair, and I used so much conditioner. It was like a scene from a horror story. My goodness. I'm like, and every time I see the hair, I'm just like, oh, I'm going to be bald. I'm going to be bald. I'm going to be bald. I know like 50% of it was just shedding, and then another 50 was from knots that I could not get out my hair. It was matted in knots, y'all. My hair cannot be, and part of it is I will wear a protective, not a protective style. Yeah, a protective style. And then I would like take the protective style out, and then it would look like a braid out or a twist out. And I noticed I cannot wear my hair like that for a while because the roots of my hair starts to tangle. It's the roots of my hair. It's not the ends, the roots. So I'm done blow drying. Next time I'll use my Rev Air. If you guys want to know anything about the Rev Air, I have videos on it, and I have a link for you to get a discount on it down below. You know, it's a good thing. So yeah, here's my hair. It has grown so much, but too bad I gotta cut some of it. So I'm going to straighten my hair just to see the level of damage that's going on here, and I'm spraying that Sebastian shaper on it just so it can like give it a little hold so I can really see. And from this right here, ooh, it was looking pretty bad. My ends, like, I had a video where my ends were bad, but this is bad, y'all. Ooh, I'm just looking like it's not so much. Well, the back right there, that's the part that was really messed up. Like, you can see the ends, the back of it, but it was so long that I really couldn't see or gauge it. But look right there. Ooh, wee, baby, just so thin, frail. I don't want my hair to look like that. I do not, y'all. So I'm going to do a press, and it's not going to be like a press like boom, bang it, bone straight. Remember Bone Straight, orange bottle, Bone Straight? It was either orange or red bottle. Bone Straight, everybody wanted their hair bone straight. It's not going to be bone straight. It's not going to be like a silk press from the gods. No, I'm just doing this just to see what my hair looks like and to give it a good cut. Okay, and then somebody came home from school. She wanted to be in here. Ma, are you doing a video? Can I come in? She was watching TV. She likes when I do my hair. She likes to watch. But yeah. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch and see all the damage that's going on. My heart is damaged.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me. Way I put it down. Jagaban, them I call me number one. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never putting on the show on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me. Pass me the Hennessy, let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see. She a tell me say her boyfriend YC. Man, I feeling so icy, vibesy. Man, a bad man, you can call me YB. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we a bossy down with no Ivy. See the girl them pull up. See the man them.
So I am finished pressing it out, and I'm just gauging, seeing what it looks like. I'm tired. It was hot up under there. And I'm having Sydney comb it for me in the back just to see how it looks, the length, and how much I need to cut off. And she couldn't run a comb through it. I said, girl, you got to put your elbow in it. Put your back into it, you know. And she said she didn't want to hurt me. I said, you're not going to hurt me. I just wanted to see. So here it is before I start cutting it. It's bad, y'all. Just imagine the length I could have had. I'm trying to see how much my hair can grow, how long it can grow. But I don't know if I like long hair, y'all. I think I just want a nice cut and a nice color. So I am sectioning it. And guys, this is no rhyme or order to the way I'm cutting, because I never wear my hair down. So what I see, that's what I'm going to cut. And just when it looks that thin at the bottom, and they call it transparent ends, just cut it off. Look at that part right there. I'm just ready to cut everything off. And I realized that my hair grew so much that the technique that I usually use to cut my hair, it didn't work. So maybe I need to start going to a professional now. But I just like when I do my own haircuts, because I've gotten this far, right? I just need to focus on my hair a little bit more. I'm just focused on other things in my life. And the hair was not a priority for a while. And don't do that. Don't be like me. Be better than me. So I'm just going to go part my hair in the front, since I cut the front already, and then on each side. And then I'm going to try to tackle the back. The back was hard for me because it was longer. And the back is where I saw most of the thinning hair and the damage. Like, you could tell I really, lost a lot of hair in the back. So I just want to get some of the ends clipped off. I cut like at least an inch or an inch and a half off. It probably could use another inch, but I'm going to do that in another couple months. I'm not going to do it all at one time because, like I said, I couldn't straighten the back by myself. So I didn't want to like mess it up and make it really ugly. So I did as best as I could with it. And maybe I'll go to a salon, maybe not. Maybe I'll just cut it again because I haven't been to a salon in years. And if I went to a salon, I think it's to get a deep condition, a wash, a deep condition, and a blow dry. And I couldn't even tell you how long ago that was, because if I can do it at home, it's okay. And I don't wear my hair straightened enough to want like a bomb haircut. So I'm just going to cut my hair now, and then I think I'll keep it in braids or wear my braided wigs or wear some wigs just to stay away from put my hair in a high ponytail. Once I put my hair in a high ponytail and once it gets to its natural curly state, it's a wrap. It is a wrap because I will throw it up there every single day. And then I would just see myself brushing it up, letting the middle just tangle up, letting the ends just tangle because my hair gets curly. And then, you know, curls lay on top of curls and they gather together, they bundle up. And that's a bad thing for my hair. So, I don't know, child. But I felt good after this cut. Of course, yes, I can go a little bit, like another inch off. But I'm okay with this length for now, as long as those ends don't look too thin and crazy for me. Look at this. Look how thin this part is right here. There's no reason why my hair should be that thin at the ends. So I'll just go ahead and cut that off. And then my hair felt pretty good. I'll have to see when it's in its curls to see how my hair acts after. But when it's straight, it's pretty. It usually the comb runs through it, the brush runs really well through it. And I had a comment. Somebody said, "We have a hair that you don't comb. Why would you use a comb in your hair?" And I was like, what? One of Sydney's videos, I'm like, these people just say the craziest things. Now I'm not supposed to use a comb. Now I'm not supposed to use a brush. Like, what? Anyway, so I gauge it on how well the brush runs through my hair, or my fingers runs through my hair, in its natural state and a straightened state. So it went pretty good right here. You can tell if your hair is crunchy. You need to like if you get to those ends and they're like hard and they're tangled together, and when you run the comb through it, it's crunchy and it's hard. That's how you know you need to trim some more of those ends and stop frying your hair, because the curling iron the flat iron and curling iron can really add to that as well. But those are just some tips. Don't come for me for my haircut because I don't care. Okay, as long as my ends are trimmed, I don't care what the length is, if it's up or down, zigzag, because this hair is going to go into a protective style. Thanksgiving is coming up and I want to be comfortable. I don't want to worry about my hair. And it's raining outside. It finally rained in Houston. It was so hot, then it was so cold. Then it became cold again. Now it's raining. So braids it is. Braids it is. I think I'm going to do a nice hairstyle on Sydney as well for the upcoming holiday. It's coming this week. I'll let you guys know. I thank you guys for watching. My hair feels so good, even though it can, one more inch could be cut off, but that's fine. Here are the results. And then I did have it in a ponytail, and then I took the ponytail out because I was like, okay, I can stand on my knees and let them see. So it was kind of, my hair is not really straightened, but you can see because it kind of started to revert a little bit. But I thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye. Man, killing up the show, let them know. Man, cooking up the